When we first started working with robot vision, we knew there were limits to what our existing camera systems could do. Point cloud noise and accuracy in presenting the real world influence the recall and accuracy of detecting the items to be handled. This directly impacts the robot system performance. By addressing point cloud noise and accuracy, the robot system performance increases over time. This reduced downtime and the number of interventions. This allowed the customer to process orders more reliably and expand their factory capabilities. When our vision engineering team started their search, we were focused on a few critical features. We needed more accurate point cloud to allow the robot to handle items successfully and without damaging them. Furthermore, reduced point cloud noise ensured that a larger variety of situations and items could be detected confidently, reducing human interventions. We actually found those features in this new camera. It allows us to detect items within a few millimeters and allowed us to handle items successfully without fail, pushing the boundary beyond 99.9% performance.
The reason we decided to adopt CVID cameras wasn't simply because we wanted new features. We wanted to fundamentally improve stability and ease of implementation on site. One of CVID's strongest points is their presets, since they offer a very good starting point for finding a stable configuration for our applications. We can tackle a wider range of use cases, different lighting conditions, workpieces, etc., and it critically reduced the time we spent on initial setup. Another big advantage is how user-friendly the intrinsic calibration procedure is. It only takes a few minutes to complete, and it offers real-time trueness and accuracy data while taking snapshots, so it is easy to understand that it is going well. Once intrinsic calibration is done, it can remain stable for a very long time under a variety of harsh conditions. Plus, point cloud quality is exceptional. In my personal experience as an integration engineer at Mujin, the applications I work with require a high level of accuracy in detection results. Otherwise, my peak process won't be stable enough to satisfy customer requirements. CVID cameras excel not only in performance, but also in ease of use. The setup is simple, and integration into multiple projects is smooth and efficient. As a result, our engineering team's workload has decreased, and for our customers, that means faster implementation and a clear reduction in total project cost. This reliability out of the box is a tremendous value.
So, what does this mean now for Mujin and our customers? By solving problems we couldn't solve before, we're not just keeping up, we're leading. And that's exactly what we want, to push the boundaries of automation and make sure our customers stay ahead with us.